Welcome to our guide on creating beats using GarageBand on your iPhone. Let's dive into the exciting features that will help you unleash your creative potential. First, let's set up your project. Choose the right tempo and key to kick off your beat-making journey. Now, explore the instrument library. Here, you can select the perfect drum kits and synths to create your unique sound. It's time to get hands-on. Use the touch instruments to create live beats and melodies that resonate with your style. Recording your beats is crucial. Here are tips for layering and arranging your tracks like a pro. Loops are a fantastic resource. Let's discover how to find and integrate pre-recorded sounds into your beats. Editing is just as important as creating. Learn how to cut, copy, and paste sections effectively for a polished sound. Now, let's add some effects. Using reverb, EQ, and compression can enhance your sound dramatically. Make sure to give your track some final touches. Mixing is key to achieving a polished finish. Finally, let's export and share your finished beat. You have various options and formats to choose from.